Thanks for stopping by, everyone. My name is Jeff, and a large investment firm just recently gave Aurora Cannabis a buy rating, give them a really big price target. We are going to get into that in just a second, guys. ACB traded great today, okay? Up 46 cents during the trading hours, and then up another 14 cents in after hours. A little over 8% in one day, guys. I know that my position is looking really good. I also have some buy ratings and price targets of several marijuana companies, but the one I'm really focused on is Aurora, okay? But if this is your first time tuning into the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any content or future update videos. And please drop a like on this video, guys. I would really appreciate that. And so Jefferies analyst Owen Bennett recently rated Aurora Cannabis and 4 other pot stocks as buys. And real quick, before we start going over some of these ratings, guys, I just want to mention this part of the article. Bennett also said a realistic bullish case could see the industry enjoy as much as a $130 billion in sales by 2029. So I always like to hear these 10-year projections. You know, who knows who's going to guess this thing right? That could possibly be, you know, Canadian marijuana sales in 10 years. That's actually one of the more conservative estimates I've heard. I've heard on the upwards of 250 billion. I've heard, you know, 150 billion. So 130 billion is actually one of the more conservative estimates that I've heard, you know, from an analyst. But still, you know, very, very exciting to kind of forecast these things. And guys, these price targets are in Canadian currency, but I know that the Canadian listing is trading around $10.20 right now. And Jefferies came out and gave ACB a buy rating and a $12 price target, okay? So that would suggest about a 20% upside from where it's trading at in Canada. They also gave CanTrust a buy rating and a $15 price target. And now just yesterday, CanTrust actually hit the New York Stock Exchange. I'm actually going to make another short video about that. Canopy Growth was given a hold rating and a $64 price target. So I know on the Canadian exchange, Canopy Growth is trading right around $60. So they do see a little bit of upside there, but they actually gave Canopy Growth a hold rating. I don't know as though I agree with that. You know, I think Canopy Growth has a lot of room to run, and I think it is pretty much run parallel with most of the other marijuana companies. And like I said, they had outstanding earnings, so I don't really understand the hold rating there, but you know, to each their own. And now some of you might be disappointed with this, is that they gave Cron an underperform rating and a $17 price target. Now, as we all know, Cron has had the biggest run of all the companies. You know, really since October, it has come from the $6 range, you know, run all the way up to the $23, $24 range. And I guess they feel like Cron has run a little too long. It's a little bit long in the tooth, and fair market valuation is probably closer to $17 per share. Now, Emerald Health Therapeutics, they gave them a hold rating and a $4.30 price target. Flower Corp received a buy rating and a $5.70 price target. Now guys, there's a couple of these stocks that I don't cover. I do track them in my watch list, but I don't cover them very often. If you're interested in me making a video about any of these stocks, go down to the comment section and mention that. And once we get through earnings season, I will try to start making some more stock analysis videos. But they gave the Green Organic Dutchman a buy rating and a $6.10 price target. I guess they think Hexocorp is going to underperform. They gave that a $5.60 price target from where it currently trades. And then Organigram Holdings, they gave a buy rating and a $10 price target. And the reason that I share, you know, these analyst ratings is because, you know, a lot of people and a lot of institutions will start to buy into these stocks when a big firm like Jefferies puts a buy rating and a big price target on it like they have. And of course, you all know how I feel. You know, I think Aurora Cannabis has a ton of room to run. Anyways, that's all I got for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.